Hi everyone, back with another new easy keto recipe for you and side dish. Got a double whammy here. It is bacon stuffed pork chops. And here's what you will need. It'll serve 4 people. 1 pound of the thin cut pork chops, 2 packages of real bacon, a package of cream cheese, spinach, riced cauliflower, for seasoning, hot sauce, pink salt, onion and garlic powder, oregano flakes, and for spice, I use Bayou and red crushed pepper, but you could use cayenne if you didn't have that. And then you need a cookie sheet and a tablespoon. Preheat the oven to 400, and then let's lay out our pork chops on our cookie sheet and start by adding 1 ounce of cream cheese to each pork chop, which will be the whole package. You see it's measured out for you on the side here, so it's pretty easy. And then after you get them laid out, take a spoon and smooth them down. And then you're going to add a few pieces of spinach over each one. And then we're going to wrap them with 2 slices of bacon all the way around to close them off. I ran out of bacon, so those last 2 didn't have it. But make sure you get a pack that has at least 10 slices. All right, and then to season it up, it'll be pink salt, oregano flakes, the Bayou, and onion and garlic powder. And then we're going to pop it into the oven, and you're going to cook this for 45 minutes. After they're cooked, you're going to set the rack up, and you're going to turn on the broiler just to make the bacon more crispy for 2 minutes. While that's going, let's go ahead and heat up our riced cauliflower in the microwave. Mine takes 6 minutes. And I just did a hot, spicy riced cauliflower, so here's what I put together. After it's cooked, pour it into a bowl, and then add over it 2 tablespoons of real butter. And then I added the Bayou and the crushed red pepper. You, again, could use cayenne, or if you don't like it hot, whatever you like to season it up. Give it a good mix, and then your pork chops should be ready. There they are. Oh my gosh, delicious, you guys. This meal really was yummy. Now, I made it into 2 servings. There were pork chops left over, but the riced cauliflower I split between the 2 of us and added the cayenne pepper over all of it. And there's the plate right there. Now, when I did the Healthy Keto Eating Show, I explained that I was going to show the recipe in that one because I didn't have this up. But now you're getting this, so the recipe won't be in that one. So just kind of exclude that. And definitely give this a try. Always keep it keto.